Good evening from Grand Valley Farm. It's August 19th, 2025, and it's around 7 p.m. And the goats are enjoying the corn. Cecil's down here helping. Harold wants some corn too. But he already had his grain. He's a pig. Don't be a pig. Well, Cecil, let's go. It's still 81 degrees out here, so it's still kind of warm. Got some things to do at the house before it gets dark. I just want to try to water. We already watered. Yeah? Alright, everyone's taken care of. Molly's been milked. Everyone's got water, food, rain. So, that's it for us tonight down here. Thank you very much for watching.